Sand beneath my feet, stretching off for miles. Sun is sinking low, painting up the sky. Every step I take, washing worries down. This is where I breathe, this is where I'm found. And the water calls my name. Nothing here will ever change. On the endless shore, where the waves keep coming back for more. Let it all go, let it all go. On the endless shore, on the endless shore, feel the ocean healing what was torn. Let it all go, go, let it all go. On the endless shore. Horizons got no end, just like how I feel. Time moves different here, everything is real.